my name is Natalia, and last week I asked you what you want to see next, and you all voted home decor and a card. So I combined the two and created this candle here with a secret message. This candle is really easy to create and works for any occasion, like a proposal, Valentine's, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas, birthdays, you name it. Just adjust the message inside the candle and then give it away. Now I would love to know what you want me to create next, so be sure to vote here in the card above, and let's begin. Here's what you need to create these candles. Now take your candles and then separate them from the form they're in. And try to do this gently so don't break the candles. Then take the candle form and then place it on some construction paper and then sketch around it. And you can choose any kind of paper, even the pretty ones. And then cut it out. Then write or draw anything on the circle, and if you have a theme, try to work from that. Now take the candle and then just gently pull the wick out from the bottom. Now take your circular message or card and then place the candle right on top. Then take your wooden skewer and then poke through the hole that's already in the candle from the wick. And try to do this gently so don't ruin the paper or the candle. This is to create a center hole for the paper. When you've done that, take the wick and then just push it through. Then take the card with the wick and then just push the wick back into the candle. If the card is a little bit bigger than the candle itself, just trim that off. And then just push the candle with the card back into its form. As I mentioned in the beginning, there are a lot of occasions to create these candles for, like Christmas, Halloween, Mother's Day, and even Valentine's. And if you're creating one for Valentine's, try using a colored candle for a more romantic effect. So get creative and choose the perfect message for your candle before wrapping it up and then giving it away. I hope you enjoyed watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you did, and don't forget to hit the bell button below so don't miss out of any future videos. And be sure to check out these DIYs here to get some more inspiration, and I'll see you soon with more ideas. Bye!